And this video is for the Champion. This is the 15,000 starting watt, 12,000 running watt generator. It's got the electric start on it. I'll show you that in a second. You've also got your 120, 240, although it's more of a 240 plug here. You've got a couple different variation plugs as well. Okay, it gives you that option. You got a 30 amp for the 120. You got a 20 amp 120. Then you've got your 50 amp breakers. You can turn those on and off when you need them. On and off breakers for the 30 amp. And then your trip buttons here as well. And there's a free ant in the video. All right, so it also comes with a battery right here, 20-hour battery. You've got your gas tank up top. I'm just going to be using this for a small job. These machines really run great. The Milwaukee series, 23 horsepower overhead valve engine. You got your fuel filter right there, or your oil filter right there. And let me just show you how easy it is to start it up. This will run air compressors. This will run your whole house basically, but I'm just using it for a little small job today. Let's crank it. Let's turn it on. It's super easy to start. Let's pull the choke on it. So super easy to get going and starting. It's got a gauge on here, IntelliGauge with power meter, so it kind of tells you how much you're pulling. But yeah, super simple, super easy to use, very powerful and strong. And yeah, if you're needing a generator for a work trailer like this, that will power a welder and a compressor. And I'm going to be using a sprayer right now. This is the one for you, but you can power appliances, different things like that. But if you're looking for a Champion, this is a top of the line generator. Works really awesome. Highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.